Hi, welcome to DSA. I'm Mrs. Morgan, your 6th grade math teacher. Today, during the introduction, we have 5 segments we're going to go over. Introduction, contact information, the Remind app, the syllabus, and a little bit of personal information about me. First, the introduction. If you're watching this video, you're signed up either for 6 Math or 6 Math Plus. You are officially a dragon. There's the dragon team and the night team, but once a dragon, always a dragon. I've worked at DSA for 6 years, and this is the only place I would ever teach. What I love best about DSA is that we mix academic rigor with the creative arts. Contact information. So if you need to contact me for anything, the email is rosanna.morgan@dpsnc.net. But you're also going to be able to contact all your teachers through the Canvas application as well. Office hours are Mondays and Thursdays, 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. As you can see on this chart, we have the entire class schedule. If you'd like to look at this more closely, there's a bit.ly link listed on the slide. The Remind app. The Remind app is an application we use to communicate with parents and students very quickly. So it's either going to come on a text message on your phone or through the Remind app on your phone. And I'm going to go over the instructions with you. We have 2 groups of the Remind app on the Dragons team. We have a group for students and we have a group for parents. These first directions are for the students. There's a code that you have to punch in. So please take a moment, pause the video, and sign up for the student version of the app if you're a student. This slide is the parent version. So if you're a parent of a dragon, you're going to use this code to sign up for Remind. So please take a moment, pause the video, and take the time to sign up for the Remind app. Both students and parents receive the same information on the Remind app. Next is the class syllabus. The class syllabus has a link on this slide for you. It's Dragons and Knights Math Syllabus on the bit.ly. We have several topics we cover on the syllabus for you, including my contact information, as well as Ms. Venugopal, which is the other 6th grade math teacher. The syllabus also covers what you can expect to learn this year, all the topics. It covers what 6+ learns, which is the advanced class, which digital programs we're going to use, the grading scale, what a sync class period is going to look like, and the late work policy. Please know that attendance is required during your Zoom sync sessions. We have several units this year, and as you can see from the chart, they include factors and multiples, ratios, fraction division, computing with decimals, integers and rational numbers, coordinate plane, algebraic expressions, equations and inequalities, geometry, and statistics. Your grading weights. 20% of your final grade consists of assignments, 20% towards classwork, and 20% towards quizzes. The biggest part of your grade are your test scores. It counts for 40% of your final grade. And a little bit about me. So on this slide, you can see some of my graduation photos. I have 4 degrees. I have an Associate of Arts from Daytona State College. I have a Bachelor's of Arts in Elementary Education from Mars Hill University. And I have 2 master's degrees, both from UNC Chapel Hill, one in education and one in accounting. I also have a family. So I am married to Mr. Chad Morgan, who you might know because he also works for DPS. He is the PE teacher at Spring Valley Elementary. I have 3 children, Anna, who is 11, Cash, who is 2, and baby Luke, who was just born this summer. Miss Venugopal and myself will be working together to teach you math this year. So sometimes you'll see me on a video and sometimes you'll see her. That pretty much covers everything for today, and I look forward to meeting you on Monday. Thank you.